In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a person on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just looking to enhance your social media skills, tagging allows you to directly engage with others and bring relevant connections into your posts or comments. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and go to linkedin.com. It's always easiest to start by navigating to the home page. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. You can quickly sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. Just enter your credentials and hit the login button. It's as straightforward as usual. Now, a quick note here for those who have enabled two-factor authentication. LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This is typically done by sending a code to your registered phone number, so make sure you have your phone handy, enter the code, and you're good to go. With that done, you're now on the LinkedIn homepage. If you'd like to start a new post where you can tag someone, click on the Start a Post area. On the other hand, if you're planning to tag someone in a comment on an existing post, locate the comment section of that particular post and click Comment. Once you're in the text field, go ahead and start typing your content as you normally would, be it a post or a comment. When you're ready to tag someone, you'll want to use the @ symbol. Start by typing this symbol where you want the tag to appear in your text. Immediately following the @ symbol, begin typing the name of the person you wish to tag. This is where LinkedIn works its magic. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down list appearing with names that match what you're typing. This list helps you quickly find and select the right person to tag. When you see their name pop up in the list, simply click on it. This action tags the person and you'll notice their name appearing in bold in your text. It's a clear indicator that the tag has been successfully inserted. Finally, once you've composed your message and are satisfied with how it looks, it's time to publish. If you are creating a post, just click that post button, and if you are commenting, hit enter or click the send icon depending on your device. And there you have it, you've successfully tagged someone on LinkedIn. These simple steps take just a few minutes and can enhance your LinkedIn interactions significantly. With tagging, you make your posts and comments more engaging and relevant to the people involved. Thanks for watching and happy networking.